exercise number 2.8, question number 5, simplify. The first Roman number is 2.75 into 10 to the power of 7 plus 1.23 into 10 to the power of 8. Here, if you want to add these two terms means, first you have to convert the power in the same order, 10 to the power of, here highest power, choose the highest power, the remaining one you have to convert it into the highest power, right? Now I am going to choose this 10 to the power of 8. I convert the 10 to the power of 8 means if I move this place, right? If I move this to the left hand side, then only we get 0.275 into 10 to the power of 1 into 10 to the power of 7, right? Then only we can equalize 10 to the power of 8, that is equal to 1.23 into 10 to the power of 8. This term is equal to 0.275 into 10 to the power of 8 plus 1.23 into 10 to the power of 8. So in the two terms we have 10 to the power of 8 is the common. I take commonly outside. Then 0.275 plus 1.23 into 10 to the power of 8. Right? If I take commonly outside 10 to the power of 8, so we choose the highest power. Don't choose the 7. Right? We choose the highest power. Then you have to convert the remaining terms. Then 10 to the power of 8 is taken out commonly. Now add these two terms, that is 0.275 and then 1.23. 1.23 means we have 0, that is 5. 7 plus 3 is 10, remainder 1, that is 5.1. This term is equal to 1.505 into 10 to the power of 8 is the answer. Now see, the second Roman number is given as 1.598 into 10 to the power of 17 minus 4.58 into 10 to the power of 15. First you have to convert the 10 to the power of the same power, 10 to the power of same power. Choose the highest power. So I convert this into 17 means this term is equal to 1.598 into 10 to the power of 17 minus, if I want to convert this into 10 to the power of 9 means we have to move into two places, that is 0.0458 into 10 to the power of 2. If you 10 to the power of 2 means that is 100. If you multiply this term by 100 means 2 decimal place will be moved, right? Then 10 to the power of 15. Now 1.598 into 10 to the power of 17 minus 0.0458 into, when the base are equal we can add the power, right? 10 to the power of 17. See, here also 10 to the power of 17, here also 10 to the power of 17. The 10 to the power of 17 will be taken out commonly. Then we have 0.0458 into 10 to the power of 17. This number minus this number into 10 to the power of 17. If you subtract this number, that is 1.598 minus 0.0458. Here there is no number means that is we have 0, right? So 10 minus 8 is 2. Here we have 7. 7 minus 5 is 2. 5 minus 4 is, 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. And then here we have 5 minus 0 is 5, that is 1.5522. The answer is 1.5522 into 10 to the power of 17 is the answer. While we are adding and subtracting the two terms, then only we want to see that power must be equal. 10 to the power of that number, power should be equal while we are adding and subtraction. But this condition is no need to check in that multiplication and division. Next, see the next sum. See here, the third Roman number is 1.02 into 10 to the power of 10 into 1.20 into 10 to the power of minus 3. Here we don't want to check that power should be equal or not equal. Here we are multiplying only. So just we multiply 1.02 into 1.2. 1.20 is nothing but 1.2 and then 10 to the power of 10 into 10 to the power of minus 3. If you multiply this two term, that is 1.02 into 1.2, 2 into this number is 204 and then 1 into this number is 102, then 4, 2, 2, 1. Here we have 1, here we have 2, total 3 decimal, 1, 2, 3. So 1.224 into, when the base are equal, it is in the multiplication. The formula is a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. By that condition, if you add, we get 10 to the power of 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. right? 1.224 into 10 to the power of 7 is the answer. And see the last Roman number 4, 8.41 into 10 to the power of 4 divided by 4.3 into 10 to the power of 5. So this term is equal to 8.41 into 10 to the power of 4 divided by 4.3 into 10 to the power of 5. Right? If I take this term to the numerator, we get 10 to the power of minus 5. Right? This term is equal to 8.41 into 10 to the power of 4 into 10 to the power of minus 5 divided by 4.3. The denominator 10 to the power of 5, I take it to numerator. We have here plus symbol. If I take numerator means we get negative symbol. Now 8.41 divided by 4.3 into 10 to the power of minus 1. So divide this number 8.41 divided by, just forget about the decimal places. We get 1 times 43 and then remainder is 41 and then this number and then 411, it almost 9 times it possible. So here also we have one place decimal, here also we have one place decimal. I put here decimal places, right? So 411 is divided by 43 means it will be almost 5 times it possible. 5 3s are 15, 5 remainder 1, 5 4s are 20 plus 1. Sorry, first we have to multiply this term. 9 3s are 27, 7 remainder 2, 9 4s are 36, 38, and then when we subtract 11 minus 7 is 4, we have 10 minus 8 is 2, and then 240, right? Already we have decimal places, we can add that 0. So in 43 you have 5 times, 5 3s are 15, 5 remainder 1, 5 4s are 20 plus 1, 21. Subtract this, 10 minus 5 is 5, 3 minus 2 is, 3 minus 1 is 2. 250, again 250 also we get only 5 times and then again 215, when we subtract we get 35, right? 50 minus 15 is 35 and then again we have 0. So 5 times if we multiply we get 215, when we subtract we get 25 is the number and we add 1 0. Again 5 times we get 215 and then divide by the subtract we get 35 and add 1 0. In 350 how many times it possible means we have surely 8 times it possible. 8 3s are 24, 4 remainder 2, 8 4s are 32 plus 2 34, right? So it is enough to find out the value. So simple division, so we get 1.9558 into 10 to the power of minus 1. If you want to check the what is the next decimal place means, when I subtract this we get 6 only. When we subtract we get 6 only. So if you put 1 0 means it has surely it is only one number is possible, 1 times is possible. So if you want to take up to this number means you want to check the third number. So last number, if it is 5 or more than 5 means we have to add, here we have only 1 itself. So this is the answer. Thank you students.